It's made by Central Machinery, 10-inch by 18-inch mini wood lathe. It has the adjustable swing thing for your chisels. It has the head on it there for putting on spindles and whatever you need. It just spin this and tighten it up. There's also a couple of different attachments for attaching the wood. Not sure if I can find them. Pretty much everything with it's here. I have a piece of wood on it that was originally used for shaping PVC pipes. It's belt driven. You can open that up and switch the speed of the belt to super fast to slow. You got your power, your cord, and it's not super heavy, but it weighs a little bit. I should have cleaned it up, but here it is again. The back side of it. I do have the cover somewhere for that. There's the belt. You can see the different speeds. And here's, let's look this up. Central Machinery. Warning. And I'm sure someone's going to want to see it work. Really. And there she's on. That wood may not be 100% plumb, but there she's working. And that concludes the lathe. Give you an idea of size. There it is. Solid steel.